Hi guys, this is Mutko here and you're watching Tech Working. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can uninstall pre-install apps from your device. Like for example, if I try to uninstall, oh sorry, it will get uninstalled. But if I suppose try to uninstall Google Maps, then there is no option to uninstall it. But however, if I want to uninstall it, so how can I do it? For that, first thing is that your phone must be rooted. If you don't know how to root your phone, then just click the I button and watch that video. Then you will get to know how you can root your device. Now when you are ready with your rooted device, then just go to King Root and swipe down more tools, click more tools, and there it is, uninstall tool, uninstall bloatware in one tab. Click it, see built-in apps. Click anyone, like suppose I'll uninstall Hangouts. Before uninstalling it, I will show you that you cannot uninstall it like this. It will only show you app info and you can just force stop it or disable it, but you can't uninstall it. But by using King Root, I'll uninstall it right now. See Hangouts, uninstall it. Removing system apps may cause system unstable. Please proceed with caution. Uninstall. Completed. Now we'll go back and check if it has been successfully uninstalled or not. See, now you can see nowhere you can see Hangouts app. So guys, this all was there in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll meet you in the next. Till then, keep watching Tech Work.